Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to unfollow or how to block a Facebook group. So let's go to the Facebook first. Then you can see here the groups. Choose one group you want to delete. If you can't find any group, you have to find it. Please hold on. Let me find a group. I have found this group here. Click on the group you want to unfollow or you want to block. So after that you can see here the joined option. Click on this join drop down menu and you'll find this unfollow group. Click on unfollow group. So this is how you can unfollow a group, but from now you cannot find any group post in your timeline or in your news feed. Okay, so basically you cannot block a group, but you can unfollow a group or you can leave a group like this. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.